What is drop shipping? For example, if you have an e-commerce store and connect with a supplier. When a customer places an order through your store, you contact your supplier and the supplier directly ships it to the customer. The retail price of the drop shipper would be slightly above what the supplier charges, making a profit for you as a drop shipper. So, in this business model, the middleman is not concerned for handling the product, in other words, never sees it. Upsides? As your store is completely online and requires no inventory or warehouse management, it has a lot of benefits like there are almost zero costs associated with physical inventory or storage space. Free storage means that you can have diversified products in your store. More time focused on marketing and promoting. No shipping or packaging. Downsides. Getting a trusted supplier is not easy. Communications channels between you, supplier, and customer should be very good in order to keep up with customer expectations. As a drop shipper doesn't see the product, he has little control over the quality of that product. Counterfeit products can damage the reputation of the drop shipper. No inventory means you have to be constantly updating your e-commerce store. Overall, you do have to be very good in sales and customer service to stand out against competition. Thanks for watching.